Fuck it, tacos and more. Can I get roast pork? Do you have that? Taco? Yes. Thank you. Just one. Yeah. Just experimenting, vlogging. I'm new to this life. Yeah, he's gonna make me the best tacos, yeah. Yeah, don't be afraid to add more, papi. Yeah, I got you.
Any type, papi.
Okay, yeah. Make sure y'all come here, you heard? Tacos and more. Yeah, he's taking care of me right now. I'm learning how to make tacos right now, yeah. Nah, I feel like he took that from me off. Oh, did he? Cause we on his ass.
Yes.
Oh shit, go ahead. Yes, chat. Yes. Yes. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna give him. Okay, I got a $10 bill. Chat, we're about to get tacos. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to do a cooking stream soon. Y'all got me on this taco shit heavy, y'all. I've been eating tacos every day. I'm not even gonna lie. I get at least one taco a day, y'all. Shit crazy. And it's not that expensive. I'm really fucking with it. Yeah. This is the audio on my new AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. Let me know if y'all can hear me or if y'all fuck with it. Yeah, all that, papi. Yeah. Chat, this looks beautiful. Cash. Yes, of course, cash. Yes. Oh, shit.
I'm Mexican.
Yeah, so you know the tacos is right. Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, papito.
Yes. They took great care of me, y'all. Come here. Yes. All right, chat. First bite. Bev here, chat. Chat, I might orgasm. This shit fire. Oh. Nah, chat. No matter if I'm gonna stop talking to y'all, bro.
I like turtles.
Papi, the food was so good, I gotta tip you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you say you was Mexican. I got Mexican friends. I love you, bro. Thank you. Yeah. Good tacos, y'all.